Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day. So today is Saturday and I just came out bathing. I am leaving today, where I will tell you a bit later. And if you can see, Utkarsh is here. He is lying on my bed, and since morning he's been like this because yesterday he drank a lot of water. So he's not.
You introduced me in video very well.
So
Thank you,
and
thank you.
so if you can see, he's not feeling well now because of obvious reasons. So now I'm all set. I got with to right now it's like around 11:10 is something, and I am all set to leave. I have a flight to catch today around at 5:30, so we will leave together. But I don't think he will. He is not looking in that mood. But anyway, this is my closet, all set, all everything packed up. And if you can see, all these bags are, and we got today is 15th of November, so there was some sort of celebration going on in Starbucks celebrating 500 stores in India. So we got these two tags which we can put it in like this, and I like this one because it has some sort of passport type of look, which is very good. Anyway, we will continue our journey. My throat is bad today because of yesterday's party. We were wild yesterday. Utkarsh was, you can see that Utkarsh smiled. We were very wild yesterday and we shouted a lot, so my throat is paining a bit. But anyway, so that's all for now. And what I was about to say is like, I don't know. Guys, past few months have been crazy. Past 2 months have been crazy for me. Like I've done everything what I should not have. Like I got my both my ears pierced. I got my hair colored thrice, and this is now the look. I also took therapy classes. What do you say to that? Therapy classes को? अरे बोलना साइकोलॉजिस्ट साइकेट्रिस्ट क्लासेस साइकेट्रिस्ट थेरेपी क्लासेस क्या बोल उसको वर्ड क्या बोलते हैं काउंसलिंग
Okay.
counseling classes. I took counseling classes which I never expected, but it turned out it was very costly, very expensive, but kind of worth it. I would recommend everyone. I did everything. We had parties a lot.
In fact, yesterday night.
Even my voice is an proof of it. Past 2 months have been crazy. Things have not gone at all at what it was supposed to. They have went completely helter-skelter. Nothing went as per plan. I don't know what is happening, but anyway. But the good thing is, why yesterday ki today?
Yesterday.
नहीं today today when we were going, today we went out, I and Utkarsh, we were going out to in a mall to have some coffee. Then there was a transgender lady who came and she gave us her blessings, and she touched my face and said that you are a very innocent person, you look very sweet. And she gave her blessings and she said that everything will be fine for us, for both of us. I don't know why she gave him blessing, he doesn't need one. But anyway, see, he also got it. I don't know why. I needed it badly, so I am kind of happy. And things were going bad, so I thought I will go back home to have my parents, my brothers together with me. And also because I wanted a new iPhone 17 Pro, so I will get into my feet of my parents and I will beg them for getting me new one. Just my thing. Other than that, nothing else. We will move in some time. We'll go out in some time. We'll book a cab, and Utkarsh will be paying for it because I don't have any money. Utkarsh has said that he will be sponsoring me whole together because he wants me to have mental peace, and for mental peace we need money. So Utkarsh, thank you, bro.
Yeah. Welcome.
So that's what for now. When we start moving, we'll continue this vlog. I have given this room of mine for next couple of months to Utkarsh, so he can feel free to bring anyone at this home. The room is quite a big with AC and all those things, good bed, good pillows and all, and comfortable as well, if you can see. So Utkarsh, but now this room belongs to you for next couple of months. Do whatever you can, but don't just do something like that so that I get thrown out. Uska is very happy here. We were discussing about it. Uska said that, bro, since you are not here, let's do something of this room. Let's utilize it.
Yeah. Let's rent it
Let's rent it to others
on hourly
on
basis.
hourly basis and all. So I said, why not? It's always good to make some little money, right? Nothing wrong in that. So I thought, yeah, yeah. So he will be the broker, and sometimes he can even use it if he wants. But we have heard that. Guys, अंदर आ चुके हैं एयरपोर्ट के. I am looking for Akasa. My flight is Akasa in Akasa's Airlines, so I am looking for their counter. I haven't found it yet. We have already dropped. Utkarsh not dropped. Utkarsh has taken the cab to his home, towards his home. So he's gone. I waited him by. So did he. And now अभी थोड़ा चेकिंग वेकिंग कराएंगे ये सब. उसके बाद देखते हैं. Guys, I'm sitting over here. The Akasa, the airlines are having some systematic issues. Their system is down because of which they are unable to assign any seats. And if you can see over here, they have just shut down all the counters immediately. So nothing, no check-ins are going on because they are unable, because of the system issue, they are unable to assign any seats. When I am sitting over here waiting for my turn, once I have just received the message that they are having some technical issues because of which the system is not working, and then there might be some delay in putting up the checking bags and all those stuff. So I'm just sitting here. Every time it's me. Whenever I take a flight, there's some sort of issue going on. I don't know why. I'm sitting over here waiting for my turn. Guys, I'm done with my security check. I am moving towards the gate number, all those where the malls are there. मैं ना just one thing happened, like मैं अभी सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद अपना बैग को केबिन बैग को पैक कर रहा था, तो ना मैंने सब कुछ पैक कर लिया जल्दी. एंड देन आई सॉ कि मैंने एक बॉक्स पैक करना भूल गया अपना. फिर मेरे मुंह से निकल गया भैं, ऐसे टाइप का जोर से थोड़ा. It was bit louder. I was bit loud, and then people around me were like started seeing me, and then one guy came and he was like, "What happened, Rose?" And I was like, "Arey yaar, I packed everything after so much difficulty, and now I'm seeing that I forgot my box, and now again I have to repack." So it just came out of it. So he was like, "I can understand that you are a complete Delhi guy." I was like, क्या करे, गलती से निकल गया मुंह से ज़्यादा ज़ोर से. But anyway, now I am near this mall kind of thing. I'm thinking to get into the lounge. I have the lounge access, but I don't know. Let me check the time. Guys, my tonsils were not working. I am unable to speak, so I took one coffee कि थोड़ा गले को आराम मिले. गला बहुत दर्द कर रहा है. पी के मैंने अपने गले के सारे तार जला दिए. I don't know. It was paining a lot, so I took this coffee. And just for the record, this is Tim Hortons, and I have been drinking coffee for a very long time, literally very long. And this is the first time I am having Tim Hortons. And trust me, this is one of the very unique coffee which I tried, and it's completely worth it. Bit expensive, but completely worth it. Its name was caramel popcorn latte. This was caramel popcorn latte, but guys, I went by the name because I like caramel popcorn, so I thought that maybe they would put some caramel popcorn in the latte or something or like that. But they just added the syrup and all. But trust me, worth it. Very unique sort of coffee. Must like I will tell you to at least try it once at least. Bit expensive, but हाँ मुझे क्या, मैं तो अमीर हूँ. नहीं यार, देखो खांसी निकल के बोले भाई औकात में रहे. पर ठीक है, जो भी है. So must try. Slice with your eyes. The DJ gonna आवाज नहीं निकल रही है गाइस, बट गाना अच्छा है. फाइनली जा रहे हैं फ्लाइट के अंदर. Actually, I did some mess inside the plane. I'll tell you the story. When I just boarded in the plane. So what happened was like 20 minutes was left for the plane to move. So I just when I just seated on my seat, I realized that I have forgot my water bottle. Then I went to the crew member of the flight. I told him that there was a guy. I told him that I forgot my water bottle. Is it possible? And it is just near the gate where we enter the plane. So is it possible if I can get it from there? So he was like, no sir, you cannot go. But once you are inside, let me ask if the crew members can go. So he went to the other staffs and asked. So they said that they cannot do anything right now. So I was like, no, please, the bottle is very expensive. Actually, it is expensive. My water bottle was very expensive. So I told them that, can you please do something or something like that. So they tried something. They called the staff which are present in the gate, right? They called them to look for the bottle of that color and all. They gave all the description and all. They were going through. Then I realized that let me check in my bag whether I have put it or not. And when I see that it was already inside my cabin bag. And then I told them that sorry, I found my bottle. It was inside the bag only. I thought I left it. And then they were like looking at me like this. Then I thought, sorry. And everyone I was in the plane was looking at me like, what happened, what did he left? And it was all about the bottle, but the bottle was expensive, so I cannot do anything. My god, it was a different experience. Interesting. Guys, finally I am at home. Meet Arav and Arav ka bada bhai Kharav and me. Tata, bye bye.